What's happening, guys? All right. I told you I would do another short video on our quick spy play today. I just want to show you that. It was pretty textbook, so I'll show you how easy this can all be. So again, today is Tuesday, August 15th, 2023. We were a little bit late on this play, so I threw it up in our Lotto channel, which is our higher risk channel, but the play was solid. We bought the 815, so 0 DTE SPY 445 puts for a little over $1. I ended up paying 109 for those. And this was at 1241. So let's go to the chart and let's break it down. So here's the SPY 1 minute chart. And let's go to 1241. Let's zoom in a little bit so we can kind of really see how this played out. So 1241 Eastern time. It was here. So you can see this is what I was looking at over here. So I wanted to see if it looked like this 444.50 level from our watch list held today to enter. And it looked like it was going to. So especially after this big red candle, I saw an opportunity on this retest here to get in. And I put out the alert at 1241 to enter those puts. So as you can see, it played out pretty much textbook. We took profits along the way. I suggested using a trailing stop loss, or to just take profits. That's always an idea too. And as you can see here at 1252. I completely closed out the trade for 32% gains. So that was at 1252. So let's go to the chart and see. So again, we entered here at 1241. Puts are a bet that that SPY will go down, and go down we did. And then I saw that we were potentially getting to some sort of bottom here with an RSI oversold. On the 1 minute, it looked like we were also starting to curl up on the MACD, if you can look here, and we did. And so we got out here at 1251, pretty much at the absolute top there. So, I mean, you couldn't ask for a better. You couldn't ask for a better play on that one. So as you can see, we took 32% gains from 1241 to was it 12? I'm sorry, was it 1241? Yeah, so a 10-minute play, 1241 to 1251 or 1252, I suppose it was. An 11-minute play for 32% gains ish, depending on where you got in. Might have been more, might have been less where you got out, but in that 30% range. Hey, anytime I can make 30% in 10 minutes, I'll take that every single time. So it can really be as simple as that. I used to do these plays a lot. I was a little bit burnt out and taking a little bit of time off, but I'm going to start getting back into them because, as you can see, when you kind of play these, these aren't big drops in the grand scheme of things. These aren't like huge drops because this is the 1 minute chart. So this was a whole day. When you zoom out, you're like, oh, okay, this was the entire day from here to here. Okay, so that drop really wasn't that much, right? But it was 30%. Well, no, that wasn't it. Where was it? 12. Okay, yeah, here. 1241. Yeah, so it was this level drop here. As you can see, there were much bigger drops throughout the day, much bigger pumps. But 30% in a quick 10 minutes, if you do that, you're winning. So I'll have more of these to show you. But hopefully you learned a little bit on kind of the quick plays and how I play these. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, like and subscribe. It helps a lot as we're trying to grow the channel. There's so much shit on YouTube, and it's more than half of it is all hot garbage, and it's like, this is real stuff here. I'm showing you real stuff that you can learn from, that you can then take and make money in your own trading world. This isn't, oh, I think this stock's going to go to the moon. No, I'm telling you, I think this stock is going to drop, and we're playing a small drop. We're making 30% in 10 minutes, and we're throwing up the deuces. You know what I mean? And we want to do that really consistently. If we could do that even just once or twice a day, we're going to be chilling. And then when you add in the watch list plays, if you haven't watched my watch list videos, you're missing out hardcore there. But we're making money on these drops. It's more on the 5-minute chart. But we're making money on these drops here. It's the same drops, just bigger candles. And the amount of money you made here, again, 25, 30% there, 30% here, 25, 30% there, 75%, maybe more, maybe closer to 100 on this drop from there to there. So, and again, we're in the grand scheme of things. When you zoom out, it's not a lot, but we made our money right in this little area here. It's like, so you can kind of see how much money may be made is in the grand schemes. And if you go back and watch the watch list videos, this is where we're making our money, guys, on these little drops and pops and drops and pops and drops. And it's not it's not something that's like, oh, I missed out on this drop, because you just get the next one on the next pop, the next drop, the next pop. So and we're not biased in where it's going to go. We're just going to go whichever way the market's going to go. If it goes up, we're going to hop up along the ride. If it drops, we're going to hop up along that ride too. So I really think people make this trading thing harder than it needs to be. That's why I'm really trying to help break this stuff down to you, to really show you how kind of easy it can be. So hope you like the video, and I'll try to put some more content out for you guys. Appreciate you watching.